So there's actually this like new game I found. It's called Monkey Bomb Tag. It's like very good, so I'm gonna try it. Some friends told me it was good, so I'm gonna go. Come on. I mean, like I have tried it before, but probably only like once for just 10 minutes. And each round is probably like 2 minutes, I believe. There. So the entire point of this game is to like not get caught by the monkey with the bomb. So yeah. I'm gonna use slopes. Slopes is really good. Alright. Please don't be me. The guy with the bomb is like the red one, and the monkeys without the bomb are the blue ones. And this game's hitboxes are like really weird. I hope this guy doesn't get the bomb, because I'm like really close to him. Okay, he doesn't have it. That guy over there has it. I'm gonna team with this guy. Like, this game is really fun. It's like this game called Spider Tag, but it's with monkeys. And like you can die. But in Spider Tag, like if the tagger gets you, you join them. So yeah, it's kinda like it, but like the tagging thingies are different. My bad. But this game is overall like really fun, and I would recommend it. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn on the volume. There. And the like movement and mobility is like pretty insane. And also the amount of stuff the developers put, it's like crazy. I hope I don't get caught. There's only 5 seconds left. Never mind. Close. Ooh, I have the bomb now. Give it to him. Oh my days. I'm too good. I'm probably gonna camp over here, like for the rest of the time. I have a feeling that this guy is like gonna get me for some reason. And why is this guy so close? Yeah, please don't be me. Okay, it's not me, it's that guy. I don't want to get the bomb. It's really difficult. Okay, it's that guy, not me. Very well. I love that so much. Yeah, I won. GG's. There. This game is really simple, but like having the bomb, it's like pretty difficult. Cause like if you don't move for like 2 seconds, like you have to keep on moving like this. Like see, I stopped moving, now I'm moving. See how bad the acceleration is? Like look now, see? And then now I'm very fast. So like you don't want to stay still unless the guy with the bomb is very far away from you. So yeah. If you guys have any like recommendations on other games I could play, I would love to hear them. Because like I've only been playing this game and some like other game called Creatures of Sonaria. Oh, and Creatures of Sonaria, it's like this cool survival game, and like you're a monster that has to survive against other monsters. And you can collect like the currency, and the currency is called mushrooms. And with the mushrooms, you can, with the mushrooms, wait. Oh my days. Give it to him, last second. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you collect this like currency called mushrooms every 2 minutes or 4 minutes, I believe. And you could like also do the missions for them. And like you already spawn with 100 mushrooms. So like you could trial a creature that's under 100 mushrooms, or maybe exactly 100 mushrooms. But I don't recommend that because you could already get like some pretty good starting creatures. So yeah, that's it basically. I'm too good for these little kids, like genuinely. Little boys. Oh yeah, and if you guys were wondering, my username is Stuart's Lab. You can add me if you want. I do add back. When's this gonna end? I don't know how many rounds there are, but like there's probably 9 or 10. Which is like pretty annoying. But I mean like each round is 25 seconds, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Ooh. Ooh, broke his ankles. Oh my days, I'm the best. I'm generally the best at this game. So thank you guys for watching. This is my first ever video, so please like and subscribe. I'm gonna greatly appreciate that.